If you are tired like me of constantly having to export your bank statements into a messy spreadsheet and having no idea where your money is actually going, manually categorizing every coffee and bill can take hours. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use WPS AI to analyze your personal spending and generate professional budget insights in seconds. Before we dive into the data, if you want to follow along and unlock these powerful AI features for your own finances, I've left a direct link to download the WPS Office Pro trial for free right at the top of the description. Go grab that quickly so you can start organizing your budget with me, and let's get started. First, open your spending data in WPS spreadsheets. As you can see here, I have a typical month of expenses: rent, groceries, Netflix, and fuel. Instead of manually adding these up, look at the top menu or the sidebar and click the WPS AI button. This opens up your personal AI financial assistant right inside the sheet. The easiest way to see where your money went is to ask for a summary. I'm going to type, "Summarize my spending for January by category," and hit enter. In just a few seconds, WPS AI reads every row and tells me exactly how much I spent on housing, groceries, and dining out. I didn't have to write a single equals sum if formula to get these totals. Now let's get specific. Most of us have hidden costs like streaming services or gym memberships. I'll ask the AI, how much am I spending on recurring subscriptions every month? The AI instantly scans the category column, finds every subscription, and tells me the total is $75.98. This is a massive time saver for anyone trying to cut back on monthly costs. If you're a visual person, you're going to love this. Instead of building a chart manually, just type, "Create a pie chart showing my spending distribution." Watch this. WPS AI actually generates a professional, color-coded pie chart and drops it right onto the sheet. You can see at a glance that housing is your biggest cost, followed by groceries. Finally, let's use the AI as a financial consultant. I'll type, "Give me 2 ways I can save money based on this data." Look at the results. It suggests meal prepping because my dining out costs are high, and it points out that I have 3 different subscriptions I might want to review. This is real, actionable advice generated from your raw numbers instantly. And just like that, you've taken a messy, boring list of transactions and turned it into a crystal clear visual budget that actually helps you save money. If this walkthrough helped you get a grip on WPS AI today, do me a massive favor and hit that like button. It really does help the channel grow. Also, don't forget, the direct link to download WPS Office Pro for free is waiting for you right at the top of the description. Go grab your copy. But before you click off, if you are sharing any of your documents, spreadsheets, or PDFs online, you absolutely have to protect your work from getting stolen. Click the video popping up right up here in the top corner, and I will show you exactly how to add custom copyright watermarks to all your files inside WPS Office. Click right there to lock down your documents, and I'll see you over in that video.